All right, the date is January. No, what am I saying? January. It's February 8th. No, today's not the 8th. Today's the 9th. No, wait a minute. What's today? Sunday? Friday was the 6th, 7th. Today's the 8th. Damn it. I'm about to go meet up with some of the peoples from Ride Fit Nation. We're going to ride today going out to Macon, going to H&H Soul Food restaurant. We're going to ride and then fellowship. All right? That's what it's all about. You ride and eat, man. Ride and eat. Talk, crap, joke all the time, and have a damn good time being crazy. Feel what I'm saying? Beautiful day out here, too. It's not freezing, but you already know on the motorcycle, it's going to be cold.
Man, woo. I was sounding a little muffled because I got my mask on. It is cold out here. It's not a hot day. But like I said, it is going to warm up. Oh boy. But I am layered up. You hear me? Layered up. So, you know what? Let me take this mask down. Because talking and trying to breathe ain't good. There we go. Oh, that's a little better. All right, guys. So, during the cold season, I'm curious, right? As to what do you find is the hardest part about riding in the winter? Like for me, the hardest part, yo, it is the damn fingers. Riding with these fingertips. Snap that bad boy in, snap. I'm synchronizing my other camera. But when you ride in that wintertime, my hands tend to be the one that gets cold the most. So, but I could ride in pretty much freezing cold. But them fingertips, man, them fingertips, no matter what type of heat gloves I got on, no matter what kind of heat gear, it gets cold. Y'all let me know in the comments, what do you guys feel is the worst for when you're riding in the wintertime? And do you ride in the wintertime? Are you afraid of the cold? Sometimes you'd be surprised at how awesome it feels outside when you're riding in the cold. And I'm not talking about freezing cold. I don't mean that. You know what I mean? But just to be able to go out, get some fresh air, enjoy the ride, it's beautiful. Right now we're in February, and February is normally the coldest month, but it's also the shortest month. And then after that, we're going into spring. You know what I mean? But right now I'm heading up to McDonough at the racetrack. Anytime I'm going south on the 75 towards Macon or Florida, that is the meetup spot of where I normally put for us to meet as a group. And then we'll jump on the 75. I might take the local route today, but I'm gonna tell you, for somebody who doesn't like the group riding as much because of everybody's different style of riding, what I will tell you that I absolutely love is that fellowship. You know what I'm saying? The fellowship. You can't beat it. And I love and respect my peoples from the Ride Fit Nation unit, who's always showing up, the Gold Rush Nation unit. I absolutely love it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's ride. I'll see y'all in a bit. Oh my gosh. Woo! I love it, man. Love it living out here in this country. The country, I say it all the time. The country, open fields, the beautiful houses, the property, man, the air, love it. Georgia, love it. Beast. Beast is on it, baby. Beast is on it. Oh my God, this is so much damn fun. I can't get over how awesome riding is for me, man. It's like, it's just amazing to ride, to just be on the motorcycle, you know, not being reckless, but enjoying the ride, man. that reckless stuff gets you in trouble. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a reckless rider. I don't need to take chances. But sometimes you just want to open up your bike a little bit and just let the motor do what it need to do, baby. You know what I'm saying? And still being safe at the same time, not being crazy. Because, you know, we got families to take care of, you know what I mean? So, but being out here, oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Just riding is exciting. Damn. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. If somebody said, yo, Sensei, for 1 year, you have to choose between riding or sex, which one would you choose? You only got one choice, baby. You can't have one or the other. Give me riding. What? Listen, man, I could withstand that for a year. I'm good. Give me the motorcycle. What do y'all say? I want to see what kind of rider you are. It ain't nothing known as a wrong answer anyway, but for me, nah, give me the bike. Sorry, Anna. You're going to have to find yourself another man. Riding, baby, riding, baby. This is like, yo, sex is kind of like, you know, momentary satisfaction. With me riding this motorcycle for 50 minutes? I'm not riding no woman for 50 minutes. So this here? Yeah, baby. Come on, boy. See that? But that's the thrill of riding, man. That's the thrill of opening up that bike, seeing America, seeing the world wherever you live at. Maybe you're in Europe, maybe you're in Jamaica. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. You got that motorcycle, man, ride that bike. I don't care what kind of bike you got. I'm so tired of people debating whose bike is better, whose bike is this. I'm tired of everybody that talk the bull crap all the time. The Honda people, the Harley people, the Indian people, the freaking BMW people. Man, listen, shut the hell up and ride your freaking motorcycles. That simple. Forget all that bull crap. Everything else, leave that for the birds. And ride your bike. Open up the bike and ride. You see what I'm saying? Come on, baby. That's a high. Heart rate pumping, adrenaline up. You know why? Because it's the unknown of riding a motorcycle that I love. You don't know. You don't know. You just don't know. You feel me? But I do know one thing. When I want this bike to go, it's going. It is going. Let's go. Yo, we are out here. Let me show you guys the bikes that we got. I told you, man, we ain't playing around, man.
There it is.
Come on.
There it is.
Come
there
on.
It is.
Let's go, baby. Got my sister Pan up in the building. We out here, guys. If y'all ain't following Extra, get over to Mr. Extra. Get over there and follow that channel. If y'all ain't following these dudes, Georgia Biker Life, get in there, get after it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Guys, we're about to ride. We're taking the back roads, and we are not speeding. We're just enjoying that time. All right, let's get.
Well, I never say. I mean, ever since COVID, I never got since conversion. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Happy birthday,
Yes. Yes. I'm getting you. I'm getting you.
It's your boy Big Sam, Golden 10, Griffin, Georgia. I'm out here with my boy Sensei. Once again, H&H Restaurant, Macon, Georgia. You got to come down. We enjoyed the fellowship. We enjoyed the laughter. We've got to keep this thing going. So if you ever get a chance to link up with us, please do so.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Give me that.
It was chilly start, but man, it freaking ended up being a blast. Feels good out here, boy. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Damn, sun bright as hell, boy. Woo.
Great, amazing. Glad to be out. Glad to be here.
Come on.
Let's ride.
Yes.
There you go. Beautiful.
What do you got to say about today?
Oh man, beautiful day. Ride Fit Nation, what's going on? Out here with my band Sensi. Beautiful day in Macon. Couldn't make it any better. Nice day, beautiful
Why
weather.
you touching me, bro?
I'm sorry. Hi, I'm Mexico. Iron Bread MC, what's up?
Yes, sir.
Happy Founders Day, Iron Bread MC.
Let's
I
go.
forgot, did you? Hey, Risky, I called you too. I called you, you didn't call me back. We down here in Macon. Last time we came down here, you got mad at me.
Yep.
I called you.
Yep.
Check your calls, bro.
Yep, check
All
your
right?
calls, dogs.
Yep.
For real. You know, Risky, he gonna say, he gonna be like, oh man, I was sleeping. This is witness right now. What were you saying?
I'll scratch that mustache off.
He violent. Hold this, please. You know, birthday boy over here talking.
Let's get it right.
Birthday boy got to do them birthday push-ups.
Let's get it, baby.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There you go.
I'm right here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, hold that.
Yeah. All right, guys. So look, we about to wrap this up. Great day today. I'm gonna tell you guys this, man. I keep on telling y'all, freedom comes from your mental, bro. It ain't got nothing to do with the people you're around. The thoughts you have every single day, that is your prison, or it can be your freedom. If you keep on thinking about I'm broke, I'm this, I'm that, you sort of put negative thoughts into your mind, it's gonna follow you all the time. The second you start to change that thought process and you start to put that positivity into the air, I promise you, you're gonna feel the difference, okay? And I know y'all might think I'm speaking all kind of fluff and stuff, but I'm telling you, this is what I practice every freaking day. And if you got that negative mindset, you're gonna get more negative in your life. Give it a shot. This ride, I said, you know what? We're gonna take the back roads. It's a scenic route, beautiful lakes and forests and farmland. I mean, all types of stuff, you know. Once again, happy birthday to Scooter and Rambo. It was awesome to celebrate the day with those guys. I celebrated Rambo's birthday, which was yesterday, February 7th. And then my brother George's birthday was February 6th. And then today was Scooter's birthday, which is February 8th. And I'm gonna tell you, man, it's a blessing to see brothers making it to see their birthdays. And, you know, Scooter made a statement that he never thought that he'll be able to live to see this year, you know, this age. And it's just a beautiful thing to be able to celebrate life and just be at one and at peace with yourself and just enjoying the life. You know what I'm saying? Like enjoying it. Like if you ain't enjoying your life, man, I don't know what the hell, man. Because there's no way that we live in this country and we're gonna focus only on the negativity. We can't just keep on feeding the negativity. The negativity after a while becomes problematic, you know what I mean? And it becomes like like I said, if you breed negative, you're gonna attract negative. I choose to have a good time, man. I choose to have fun, man. I choose to enjoy life. I laugh at a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, hey, if you look like me, you learn to laugh a lot too. If your face look anything like me. Let me adjust this thing real quick. There we go. But great fellowship. Big shout outs to everyone who came out. It was 16 strong. Everybody they rode well. Everybody was down to earth. Nobody was cocky. Nobody had bad attitudes. You know, if you have a bad attitude, don't come here with that bad attitude. Nobody wants to be around a negative attitude. And you know, you always have that person that believes that the world revolves around them and everything they say is power, right? And people like that, over the years, I've learned to just I can't say I don't like them because that's just how they are, but I learned how to avoid them. I don't have to be in their space, you know, because everyone has their character. People say flaws, but I don't see it as a flaw. I see it as just how you are. That is how you are. And not everything is made to change. We all need to balance out each other. But man, we had victories. We had Indians, Harley Davidsons, Gold Wings. Was there any other bike that I'm missing? No, those are the four companies that was out there. And we know that Indian and Victory was a part of Polaris. But everybody rode so damn good. Man, let me tell you, man. Some people like to smoke. Some people like to have sex. Some people like to do drugs. Some people like to party. Some people like to steal. Me, I like to ride. And I really love the camaraderie. And even though I'm more like a quieter, laid back individual, when I'm around people, hey, if I'm in a good vibe, a good space, I'm gonna have fun cracking on everybody. And everybody can have fun cracking on me, you know? So when y'all see me posting these rides up, man, let me tell you, man, the whole mission is to inspire you guys to get on your bikes and ride. I don't care if you're doing a group ride, if you're doing a singular ride, I don't care if you're riding a freaking unicycle. Ride on your damn bike. Get out there and ride, man, because it's therapy to the mind. Like right now I'm riding, I can feel that wind and it's not cold. It's like a nice chill in the air. This morning was cold, but everybody said the same thing. It was cold in the morning. The fingertips was bleeding. My fingertips felt like they were numb, you know? But now my fingertips feel phenomenal. I could ride all day in this weather. I prefer to ride on weather like this in the 50s rather than ride it in the 80s. The bikes operate way better and you don't get as tired, as fatigued, because you know you're not sweating like crazy. So your body temperature is regulated and it just feels amazing. You know what I mean? Amazing. So guys, so listen, thanks a lot for joining, man. I really hope that you guys can, if you live in Georgia, join the GroupMe thread. Don't be afraid to post your rides in the GroupMe thread. See who's gonna show up. We got a lot of things that we're gonna be doing. We got Daytona Bike Week. I'm doing a turn and burn. Well, I'm actually gonna do a turn and burn partial because I'm gonna go there and spend the night at a hotel and then ride back home the next morning. I believe that's gonna be March 5th. Well, don't quote me. Well, it's gonna be the Friday, the last weekend of Daytona. I'm gonna be down there, so let me know where you guys are gonna be at so we can link up, so we can all link up. You know what I mean? Give me a spot that we can meet up and just hang out for a bit. All right? So anyway, guys, don't forget, let's keep on getting these miles, let's get that money, and let's get the muscle. Miles, money, muscle. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.